the Merauke Strategic National Project, developing a food barn for Indonesia, or stealing indigenous land and identity for corporate profit. Part 4. The Merauke PSN is comprised of the customary territory of the Marind, Maklew, Kimaam, and Yei indigenous peoples. There are over 40 villages and 50,000 indigenous peoples living within or alongside the affected area. To this day, the majority of residents are hunter-gatherers. While they do have small-scale subsistence gardens, their traditional source of carbs is from an endemic sago palm that grows in wetlands. The indigenous peoples of Merauke share their ancestral land with plant and animal species they consider family, and are the sources of their clan names, worldviews, and sustenance. The Marind peoples have already experienced a large-scale food estate known as MIFEE, a 1.6 million hectare project. Established in 2011, the project was intended to produce rice and sugarcane, but failed, and was converted into large-scale oil palm plantations. 12 years after their forests were cleared, NGOs and residents say affected communities are living in a generational crisis, and continue to seek justice for the land theft, violence, and toxic pollution they have experienced. In addition to destroying their forests and livelihoods, the thousands of military personnel and trans migrants brought by the Merauke PSN further threaten the identity and cultural sovereignty of indigenous residents. Representatives and thousands of members from each indigenous group have refused the arrival of the Merauke PSN in dozens of protests, and claim they have not been provided information or consultation before their land was cleared.
Stand in solidarity with the indigenous peoples of Merauke. Demand their human and land rights be respected, and that the Indonesian government halt the Merauke PSN.